Item number 1.
One second, Mr. RK General. Yes. Let the file at least come. Yes. Yes, what do you want to say?
So, Lordship, we have auctioned 5,92,645 metric ton, my lord, on 3rd of November 2023.
Yes.
Now, balance coal, which is about 4 lakh metric ton, my lord.
Yes.
Balance coal
what do
is
you
about
imply
4
by
lakh
that?
metric ton. My lord, we have given, as per our affidavit, the details of the details and period within which we will complete
When was the affidavit
auction.
filed? When was it filed?
Yeah, this was long time back, my lord. If your lordship kindly see my affidavit, last affidavit, my lord, because this affidavit is of, your lordship will see this affidavit is of 2022, my lord, where we have given the schedule and everything.
22 affidavit.
Because that is the schedule which we are adhering to, my lord.
Date? When was it
Date,
filed?
my lord, is because there are multiple affidavits filed, my lord.
I think 291, page 291. Yeah, now maybe 540 maybe.
Yes, Mr. Khan. What is the date? No, I should, I'm relying on the 2022 affidavit.
I'll give that precise date, my lord. If your lordship will see 19th 19th September 22 affidavit. 19th September 22 affidavit, my lord. 19th September 22 affidavit.
Not the 8th July one.
There's no 19th.
No, your lordship, it is filed on 19th September 2022 by the Chief Secretary, my lord.
No, the last
It is date of file.
22, the last affidavit is on 8th of August 2022.
My
Oh,
lord,
8th of July,
there is a
sorry.
report.
8th of July
Sorry, there is a
2022.
report. There is a report. I'm sorry, my lord. It is a
It's
report
not an
of.
affidavit.
Yeah, it is a report, my lord. It is a report.
Yes.
Pursuant to order of your lordship dated 25th August 2022.
This report not indexed. They're not indexed. Huh? Dated 19 July.
Yes, lordship, 21st July. It is
21st July.
21st. Yeah, 19th September it is there, my lord. 19th September.
19th
lordship,
September.
Yeah. Yes, lordship. Can you see the report, my lord?
Okay, yes. It's like we're swimming through papers. Yes, got it. 19 September 2022.
And your lordship will kindly come to page 8 because page 8, my lord, where timeline
chart,
is
the
given
bar
for
chart.
auction of.
The bar chart.
Timeline is given. Yes, your lordship. Disposal of remaining coal.
Wait. Now you say you're sitting in October 23, December. So what remains now?
So now, your lordship, there is a typo error. Your lordship will see January to March 23, and then October to December 23. It should be December 23, my lord.
Yes, October to December 23 is correct, yeah?
Yes, your lord. Now, my lord, almost entire coal has been auctioned, barring 4 lakh and odd metric ton, my lord. Why? Because, my lord, the process, my lord, which we have laid down in this affidavit is that entire coal from coal head, pit head, to Coal India Depot are to be transported for and handing over to MSTC as per the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord. We have my lord, I will put the affidavit or report showing indicating how much coal is now left. As per my instruction, my lord, only 4 lakh metric ton coal are left to be auctioned. And why it could not be auctioned, my lord, with 3rd November 23 is, my lord, that on 3rd November 23 we auctioned 5,92,645.
No, this rattling out these numbers won't serve any purpose. You'll have to give us something concrete. The thing is that there has to be some reconciliation also of the coal that has been inventorized and the coal that has been found and the coal that has been audited. You place
Yes,
the report. Meanwhile, coming to the
I'll place.
yes, you place the report. We will record it in orders.
Yes.
Yes. Meanwhile, you see, Mr. Advocate General, we have received the 18 interim report of the of Justice Kataki, and we have gone through it, and it seems that somebody is taking things in their own hands, in the sense that maybe they thought that maybe the bench has changed and maybe there'll be more. There will be there'll be some laxity, but we will repeat that. We'll repeat that. We might not have the bark, but we might have the bite. So that's the only thing. Yes.
No, Your Lordship, it has come to our knowledge also that.
I'll just give you a preview of what's been given here. Is that they have been discovered. Coal has been mined as late as in 7/11, dumb right behind Don Bosco College.
Yes, Lordship. We have registered the FIR, my lord. We have registered the FIR.
We'll ask the SP and Deputy Colonel to appear personally. We'll circulate the report as on today. We'll list the matter to 1 week.
Lord.
And if no satisfactory answer is forthcoming, then the contempts are still pending against them, I think. Then suspend animation.
Yes,
right?
Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
We have no choice.
Yes, Lordship. I bow down, Your Lordship. But we have registered the FIR.
Registering FIR does not mean anything.
And we have seized that coal also, about 4,800.
And we have other reports also, which it's really distressing.
I'll get the report, my lord. I'll get the.
First, we'll pass on to this one.
Mr. Advocate General, flagrant and blatant ignorance or non-compliance with court's order will not do.
Yes, Your Lordship, and I bow down, Your Lordship. I can't say that.
Anyway, the 18 interim report dated 14/11/2023 have been filed by Justice B.P. Kataki, retired. Stop. Just B.P. Kataki, single member committee, who has made field visits to East Chanta Hills, so also other areas. Stop. A perusal of the report has is alarming. Stop. However, let a copy of the report be circulated to the counsels for the parties, who can obtain copies from the registry, and the matter will appear on 30th November for further necessary orders.
Your Lordship may have it on 29th, Your Lordship.
29th, I'll not be here. I'll be away from the 24th. Yes.
Okay, Lord.
The other matters?
Can you order pass for the report for us to get the report?
The other matters we just
They are all
want to
connected.
anything to say on the other matters?
Yes, my lord. Only small submission was there, my lord. I have filed an affidavit. And
In item number?
in item number 2, my lord, Chemper, Hamsama, my lord. In this matter, my lord, the state was directed to file an affidavit. We are relying.
Let them clear the files first. And Mr. Arvind is saying that we meet business. I mean, especially
Yes, sir.
with the top district functionaries, we have very distressing reports. Apart from the report that Justice Kotoki has given.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What do you say?
My lord, on 4th October, there was an order by this honorable court, my lord, for them to file an affidavit. My lord, we are relying on the report of Justice Kartoki, my lord, whereby, my lord, he has, in his report, my lord, mentioned that fresh coal has been mined in Gasoapada area. Initially, my lord, the private respondent herein, my lord, he has stated that he has disposed of all his coal, my lord, by exporting it. And the matter is pending before the court for adjudication, my lord. We said all the coals which has been exported, my lord, are illegally extracted coal. Now, my lord, he has stated that all the coal has been exported, my lord. Now, my lord, in this report, my lord, a fresh coal has come out. And in the name of the same person.
Champer.
Champer is the petitioner, my lord, and is Jaima.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
Jaima, my lord.
Where is that order?
4th October. My lord, may kindly see 4th October order. 4th October order, my lord, para 6, my lord.
Just open that para.
We got to see the alert communication chronological. 4th October.
It was a common order passed in all the matters, my lord.
Oh. Yes.
Yes. My lord, may kindly see, my lord, para 6 of the order, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
The state will look into the matter, alleged libel against Jaima.
In Panel 8, the petitioner filed an affidavit incorporating certain allegations against Gemma Co. Private Limited and the persons controlled thereof, other entities which are under the control of such person.
So this is a repeated phenomena which Jaima is adopting, my lord. They were supposed to scrutinize
Now,
Jaima's
which report was that? Was that
16th interim report, my lord.
When you quote that, you file a small affidavit.
We have filed, my lord.
You filed it today?
We have filed it. Not today, my lord. On 26th of September, we have filed it.
Okay.
Thereafter, my lord, this order was there for them to respond. But they are mum on this, my lord.
This on 30th November, yes. Has also been the attention of the court has also been drawn to an order dated 4/10/2023, where in para 6 thereof, this court had directed the state to look into allegations leveled against the private respondent therein as regards to the allegations. But this para 6 doesn't say that regarding that. You just read it again, Mr. Day.
My lord.
It says, you see, after the position such as with
It doesn't say anything.
Petitioner has filed an affidavit incorporating the certain allegation against Jaima Private Limited and the person in control thereof and other entities which are under the control of such person. Affidavit in opposition of such affidavit may be used within 3 weeks, my lord.
Yes.
Within 3 weeks?
So what happened after that?
No, they have not filed an affidavit. They have not responded, my lord.
No. And also allowed them to file affidavit to the affidavit filed by the petitioner in PIL number
8, my lord.
8. So it has been submitted that no affidavit has yet been forthcoming. Accordingly, it is expected that on the next date, such affidavit will be on board. Yes.
My lords, item number 5.
Yes.
My lords, item number 5.
Yes.
Just apprise the court, my lords. We have filed the affidavit and the RTI, my lords. And
You are
still
appearing
no
for whom,
action has
item
been
number
taken by
5?
the state, my lords.
You are appearing for whom?
Krishna, my lords.
Your respondent.
Krishna versus state of Meghalaya. I am from the petitioner, my lords.
Okay. It's also been submitted that. Who are you? Your name, please.
Sajal Sharma, my lord.
Mr. S. Sharma, on behalf of the petitioner in PIL number 1 2023, that affidavit has since been filed. List all these matters together. Yes.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Supplementary list. Announcement of judgment, item number 1.
Though it has been argued by the senior counsel for the petitioners that the quashing of notification dated 28/6/2018 will amount to a prospective declaration of law, and that advertisement being issued prior to quashing should be saved and the B.Ed qualified candidates be permitted to take part in the selection process, the peculiar facts incident case warrant that this proposition be viewed from a different angle. No doubt, as held in the case of so-and-so, when a selection process is initiated by issuing an advertisement, the selection normally should be regulated by the rule or order then prevailing. Any subsequent amendment or order will not affect the pending selection process. In the present case, implication of the judgment of the Supreme Court, where notification set aside and quash is necessary and vital to be given due consideration, and will surely operate as contrary indication to the principles laid down by the said judgment. Taking into account situations pertains today, with the eligibility of and suitability of the B.Ed candidates, qualified candidates having been conclusively determined by the Supreme Court, this goes of the view that notwithstanding any other circumstances, such as if any rights have accrued or can be derived from the advertisement dated 14/6/2023, any further discussion on this point will be but a futile academic exercise. Accordingly, for the reasons hereinbefore mentioned, due to the peculiar facts, circumstances of the case, the lease is claimed, if granted, being opposed to approved educational standards and also against public policy, the petition is all dismissed. Yes.
Right. I'm listening.
Any mention?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18 from the main list, Lordship.
Number?
18, Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying if this matter can be taken up next week.
Who's the other side? Who's the other side?
Senior.
No objection, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. Okay, yes.
18 and 19 are connected.
18 and 19 connected, Lordship.
Very good.
Lordship, similar pray for item number 25, Lordship.
25
Lordship.
is a Nokma matter.
Lordship.
Who is for the petitioner?
Lordship.
You have no objection?
Lordship. No objection.
2 weeks, yes.
I'll leave,
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, we were informed that the bill will be placed before the KHDC session.
The
bill, Your Lordship.
What bill?
Your Lordship, regarding the Malay clan, Your Lordship. This matters regard the eligibility of the clan to be elected as CM, Your Lordship. So the bill will be placed.
This is a Malay Somat CM-ship matter, my lord.
Okay.
So in the first matter, my lord, your lordships had disposed of and directed the district council to take care of the act, my lord, the proposed act. So we are informed that in the next session, sometime in December, the bill will be placed before the house. So we'll wait, my lord, till then.
Is that correct?
Yes, your lordship.
Or you have no idea? It's correct?
It's correct, lordship.
Okay. It lists this matter after 4 weeks, as certain developments have taken place. Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 22.
Number?
This is pertaining to compassionate ground. So we need to,
ever will shine.
Yes, ever will shine, Your Lordship. So we need to get, we need some more time to get the documents. We are running from DC office, from the department, from district.
Why are you running from?
Because the paper that the file pertaining to compassionate ground, we don't know till now, and now we are still in Noston. So whether we will get by today, or so we will come back 1 week.
Mr. So praised that the matter be adjourned as they have not received. They are still awaiting some relevant documents to be obtained. They still yet to obtain some relevant documents. Yes. Just after 2 weeks. Yes.
Right. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20. Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time.
Why? What's the matter about?
We need some more time to seek instruction.
Regarding what? What's the matter about?
Regarding they are asking the salary, my lord. And so
Garfield School?
Yes, Lordship.
And continuously taking the time.
2 weeks expected, the next date no further adjournment will be taken. On request, matters stands adjourned for 2 weeks, expect next date no further notice will be, no further adjournment will be taken. Yes.
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17, Lordship. Anati Prasad.
On whose behalf?
Mr. Sheikh, Lordship.
Where's Mr. Sheikh?
He's not keeping well, Lordship.
I have no objection. They have to file affidavit.
19 matter. 1 week, yes.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 22, Lordship.
So you've exhausted the whole list. 22?
21, sorry, Lordship.
Yes. Public duty elders and Mr. S.A. Sheikh, both matters. Matter stands adjourned to 2 weeks, yes. 2 weeks, yes. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Supplementary list, item number 2.
And what is it?
We filed a 711 application, my lord, in the suit proceedings. On the ground that...
Why 711, no cause of action?
No cause of action, my lord. My lord, if your lordships have the suit, my lord, starts at page 15 in extra 1. So, my lord, kindly have the cause title, my lord.
Yeah.
The cause title, from the cause title itself, it's apparent, my lord, that an association has filed a suit.
Yes. Urban shopping complex.
Yes, my lord. Shopping complex in the heart of the city, my lord. Commercial hub. My lord, around 200 to 250 tenants, my lord. So it is an association that has filed against us, my lord. MUDA, Meghalaya Urban Development Authority, my lord. And from the statement in the suit itself, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, at page 17, para 5 of the suit. It is their own statement, my lord, at para 5.
That how many statements are monthly tenants?
That the members of the association, my lord, but not the association, not the plaintiff. So, my
now,
lord,
all the properties have been detailed here?
No, my lord, nothing.
How much they're occupying?
Nothing, my lord. They have annexed, my lord, some authority.
What did they want by the, let's see, the prey and the plaint?
My lord, the prayer and the plaint is for setting aside of 2 notifications and a notice, my lord.
Notice regarding?
My lord, this is in rise in rent, my lord. Increase in rent. They had previously come before your lordships, and thereafter, my lord, we have considered the representation, and we have reduced the rent by 2 rupees per square feet. Thereafter, they filed the suit, my lord. But the suit also is filed in representative capacity, my lord. So, my lord, they have to, my lord, comply with Order 3, Rule 2, my lord. There has to be a power of attorney. You cannot file by way of, my lord, authorization, my lord, authority letter, my lord. They are hit by Order 3, Rule 2, my lord.
Okay, then now you say that...
So, my lord, there is no cause of action as far as the association and MUDA is concerned. And my lord, kindly have page 20.
Why you say that, Mr. Nongri? Because the members are all members of the association.
My lord, not the association, my lord. There is no privity of contract between us and the association. The agreement enclosed in the suit itself...
With the members.
It's only one agreement with one particular member. So there's no privity of contract between me and the plaintiff. So if there's no privity, so the plaintiff is a stranger to the suit, to the contract, my lord. My lord, kindly have the cause of action.
Where's your... Okay, sorry. What cause of action?
My lord, cause of action, page 23, para 22.
Okay.
They say, my lord, the cause of action to file the suit, my lord, arises on 12/4/2023. April 23, my lord, this year. Now, if I issue a notification, my lord, there's no cause of action between me and the association. A cause of action, my lord, will start when the agreement of tenancy is signed between the parties. The contract is between me and the tenant. It's a tenancy agreement.
Okay.
So therefore, my lord, we are saying that under Order 7, Rule 1, my lord, there's no cause of action. By my issuance of a notification to say that we are increasing the rent, that's not, my lord, bring out a cause of action between me and the association. If the tenant goes to the civil court, my lord, that is absolutely fine, my lord. But not the association, my lord. Order 3, Rule 2, my lord, provides that you have to hold a power attorney if you file a representative suit, my lord.
Yes.
Now, my lord, why I am before your lordship is, my lord, otherwise 711, my lord, I'll just pray for notice. But, my lord, I'm praying for suit. Why? Because we are being held in ransom.
Praying for?
Stay of the suit, my lord.
Why stay of the suit?
Stay of the suit, my lord, because my lord, after the suit has been filed, my lord, a status quo has been issued by the...
Well, amounts of injunction
yes, my lord.
Against you?
Yes,
so why you want suit to be stayed?
My lord, because these proceedings will lead nowhere, my lord. There's no relief can be granted to this plaintiff, my lord. That is the reason, my lord.
Where is 711 petition?
Yes, my lord. My 711 is, my lord... My 711 is, my lord, at page 190 onwards, my lord. Para 5, my lord, at page 192, I say, my lord, the suit is barred by the doctrine of privity of contract. There is no privity of contract between me and the plaintiff, my lord.
So you say a stranger to the contract?
Stranger to the contract, my lord.
Yes.
Now, a stranger cannot file on behalf of a, my lord, a third person without holding a power.
A bar under section 61. What does section 61 say?
My lord, section 61 of the Town Country Planning Act, my lord, your lordships have annexed the extract at page 200 onwards, my lord. Page 203, section 61, my lord, bar of suit and prosecution in certain cases. This is my second line of arguments, my lord. Why I raise these issues, my lord? Because it is a notification that has been challenged.
Now, another thing is that when the matter was initially filed,
yes, my lord.
Now, you took part in the injunction hearing. Notices were issued to you.
A notice was issued, my lord.
Then you filed a show cause also.
We filed the show cause, and that has been disposed of. We have filed the appeal also, my lord. That is pending,
appeal
my
against,
lord.
Against that
against
order.
injunction, my lord.
What about subsequent to that, after the injunction order?
Yes, my lord. We have filed an appeal, my lord. That is pending. Even on the interim also it's pending, my lord. And in the meantime, 711 was filed. That has been rejected. We are before your lordship, my lord. That holding us today in ransom, my lord. Commercial hub.
The order in 711?
711, your lordship will find.
The order passed. What are the reasons given?
Order passes at page 209. Just hang on. You don't have a caveat. Please.
Yes.
We have filed a caveat, my lord, in these matters. But I believe that has...
caveat has been filed in the injunction matter, my lord, not in this 711. So, my lord,
yes.
Now, kindly have page 210, my lord. 209 is the impugned order, annexure 21. At page 210, my lord, the submissions were recorded, our submissions. Then at page 211, my lord, para 8 onwards, the learned court below reproduces order 7, rule 11. And at para 9 at the bottom.
Where are the findings?
Finding, my lords, para 9 at the bottom, page 211. On a bare perusal of the above provisions, it is amply clear that the plaint can only be rejected on the ground of sub-rule A to sub-rule F of the said order and rule. The first ground taken by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the maintainability of the suit and that this ground is one of the grounds mentioned in sub-rule A to F. Hence, the plain entitled suit cannot be rejected on this ground of maintainability.
What kind of...
I cannot comprehend, my lord.
Maintainability
My lord,
anyway, yes.
it's very difficult. Therefore, my lord, I simply read the paragraph from the suit. From the statement of the suit, it is very clear that there is no cause of action, my lord. And they are barred by law, my lord, in view of the doctrine of privity of contract, my lord.
Now, where's the observation on that 61? What's the court said about that?
Para 14, my lord. Para 14, page 212. Para 13 onwards.
Page 212.
Last page, my lord. Nevertheless, para 13. Nevertheless, this court has also perused in Extra 1, which is the Meghalaya so-and-so Act, has considered the provision of section 61 of the said Act, which pertains to the bar
Where's the finding on that, whether it bars or not?
Para 14, this honorable court, while deciding the injunction application so-and-so, has already made an observation in para 18 and 19 of the said order.
Where is it here? Where is it here in this, in your memo, in your review?
119, my lord.
This injunction order. Paragraph
119, para 18, 19. That is what...
No, what about this discussion on whether that operates as a bar, a specific bar?
No discussion. No discussion, my lord. In the impugned order, no discussion.
In the injunctions, you do discussion on that also?
Yes, my lord. Nothing, my lord. My lord, holding an authority in, my lord, ransom, leading nowhere. This suit will lead nowhere, my lord. It will go on for 5 years, 10 years, my lord. Ultimately, no relief will be granted. But who's the sufferer, my lord? I am the sufferer. Therefore, my lord...
No, but court is not going to look at who's going to suffer or who's going to gain. Court's going to look only at the legality of the proceedings, that's all in the order. Yes.
Now, understanding the important issue of, my lord, tenancy and, my lord, tenancy rights and landowner rights, my lord, there's a judgment of 2011, my lord, reported in 2011, volume 7, SEC 755, my lord. Now, in this judgment, my lord, the Honorable Supreme Court has laid down the guidelines of how to deal with these matters, which are like, my lord, humongous pendency in the entire country. So, my lord, I'm open, my lord. I'm open, my lord, that if this suit is stayed, my lord, and notice is issued to the other side, my lord, I'm open to talks, my lord.
They already appear. Are you accepting notice, Mr. Yuban? Are you accepting notice?
My lord, I will accept the notice, my lord. I am representing the association, my lord. Let it come on Tuesday, my lord.
Tuesday is today?
I mean, coming Tuesday, my lord, because then I'll take instructions and we'll hear it. My lord, tomorrow will be a little problem for me.
Because you're a very hard counsel to get. You're very, you're
very busy, my lord. Traveling pan-India, my lord.
So, many cases have been adjourned.
My lord,
citing that
Tuesday, my lord.
Tuesday, I'm afraid...
Tuesday or Wednesday, my lord.
Lord, kindly have para 21 onwards.
Will be available till next week only from Thursday.
Lord, para 21 onwards, my lord.
Yes.
Internal page 761. These are the guidelines, my lord, laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court. How to deal with such cases, my lord.
So, that'll be in the merits of the case. We're looking at the legality of the order. Yes, heard Mr. Pinongbi, learned counsel for the petitioner, issue notice. Stop. Though there is no caveat filed in the instant against the impugned order, Mr. P. Ubin, who is the counsel for the respondent, in the trial court
My lord.
is present and accepts notice on behalf of the sole respondent. As such, no further notice called for. Prayer has been made by another counsel for the petitioner for stay of the proceedings of the before the trial court stop. As Mr. Yubin has just been served, listed matter is Tuesday, Thursday is a holiday, listed on Friday.
Friday, my lord, I'll be traveling, my lord. Matters.
Sorry,
already.
then you need some other counsel. Mr. Kenta is available. Friday, we'll take it up. Because we are a bit short of time. Then we'll take up tomorrow? You'll be here tomorrow?
My lord, on Friday, I'll appear virtual.
Tomorrow?
Not tomorrow, my lord. I'll need some time to prepare.
Then tomorrow is Wednesday?
My lord, Friday, I'll appear virtual, my lord. Then.
Very good. That's why we have this hybrid system.
Obliged.
To enable busy counsels like you to appear. Yes.
Daily list item number 1.
The application will be considered on the next day.
Yeah.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
Actually, this is not pension matter to MDCs. I'll just require 3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Lordship, in this matter, I'm praying if direction flows from this honourable court with the respondents with regard to the time limit.
What happened to the, he said being placed before the house last time?
No, the additional budget has been already proposed, done, and we are left out with some, we are waiting for some fund from the state. And I just got a small indication, but I cannot confirm. Yesterday some amount came, and but I cannot say definitely.
AGC is financially very healthy. It
We are,
doesn't have any, it's not under any financial constraints.
They are, Your Lordship, because we have filed an
That's
RTI
why we
in
are
this
in
regard.
financial constraint.
You're not financial
She agrees with me.
We have filed an
We have financial
RTI.
constraints.
No,
Yeah.
Your Lordship, no. We have filed an RTI which shows that.
When did you file RTI? Has been brought on record?
No, it has not been brought.
I'd like to
Let us
know
see that.
also. Can I get a copy also?
Where do you say head of account will satisfy your case?
Your Lordship.
Which for 22-23 only?
22-23, Your Lordship. They received funds around almost 40 crores, 40,000 crores.
Central assistance.
Central assistance.
But this is for how do you use this money, Mr. Kanta? These grants that come, special central assistance.
I have no idea.
You've got nearly 20.5 crores. Then you've got another 18 crores.
I have no idea about this. I need instructions.
Why the other
so
councils
far,
not getting this money also?
Pardon, Your
Why the other councils not getting this money also?
No, I think there must be some fund for some purpose.
No, why they're not getting this money? The other councils, Jante Hills and Garo Hills, why they're not getting this money
They
also?
must be getting the same amount.
I don't think so.
Some amount. So far, we are concerned with the budgetary provision for paying pension. An additional budget has been suggested, and it just happened that one of the dealing assistant or staff, joint secretary, she has been sick for the last 2-3 weeks.
So the entire administration under one post staff.
Just got staff because she's in charge of finance. But be that as it may, the amount that we are waiting is from the state government. Some shares is coming. Otherwise, we don't have any money right now to pay.
Your Lordship, if I may point out, as per the last order of this Honourable Court, they are to, that order was in rem. However, it was acted only upon the petitioners who had approached the court at that time.
Yes.
We had paid to all of them, those petitioners. We just paid them recently.
Only to the petitioners, Your Lordship, even though the order was in
So
rem.
far, the instant petitioners is concerned, I do agree that we yet to pay. The original decision was to repeal the act. We have done away with that. We want to help the MDCs, ex-MDCs. It's not that we don't want.
See, what is it? 4/7/2023, Mr. Kanta.
Agreed.
3 months time was granted because same submission they're making today.
We are supposed to get some amount from central aid, but that amount did not come. This amount, whatever is projected, I do not know.
Oh, this is an old one. This is from April before. It is not a recent one.
23, Your Lordship.
24th April.
24.
I just need some more time, 3 weeks time.
Your Lordship, I'm just praying for direction from this honorable court.
Direction is
to the
already there.
respondents.
Direction is already there. But this matters under consideration for too long, Mr. Kanta.
Almost a year.
You have to come out clean whether they will give or won't give.
Oh, we'll give.
You'll give.
We'll give. We are sure.
They also have their own interest. When they retire, also they'll need it. The lawmakers out there.
They are interested to retain the law and to pay also, because they are also interested.
They'll be interested.
They are interested.
What should we do? Mr. B.G. Kanta, the Senior Counsel for the respondent, has again today made similar submissions with regard to the prayers of the writ petitioners, and submits that the matter is still under consideration and the placement of funds will be done as soon as some amounts are received.
Yes, yes.
From which source?
That is a government share.
Right from the share of
Government
you know, from the royalty, from the share of royalty that you'll get.
Still government share. We have to allocate. The budget has already been done. Additional budget. We'll pay for the current year, 2023, 2024.
From the state government. We can't write that. As soon as funds are received from. As soon as funds are received. Stop. Next paragraph. MS B. Kharwanlang has raised strong objections and praised that positive directions be passed within a stipulated time frame for the respondents to comply and afford the pension to the ex-MDCs. Stop. Next paragraph. The submissions of the council are noted. It is a fact that repeated opportunities have been granted to the respondents to come up with positive indications with regard to the settlement of the pensions of the MDCs. However, in interest of justice, this is a matter of 3 weeks to await for further orders. Yes. You take this back.
Item number 2.
Yes, local council.
My lord, I am yes, my lord, I am appearing today for the first time, my lord. I would like to file my objection, my lord. There's
What objection?
800 in the condonation of application, my lord. There is 823 days of delay in filing the appeal, my lord.
Okay. Oh, you are legal aid counsel.
My lord, my lord.
Legal aid.
Yes.
Let them file objection.
No problem.
Yes, Mr. P. Obin has entered appearance today as legal aid counsel on behalf of the sole respondent, and please give out some time to file objections to the condonation application. Stop. Prayers allowed. Presence is recorded. This list after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Some clarification. Last occasion, my lord, one D. Kaushik appeared, my lord, from outstation, my lord. Now legally, I leave it to my
matter, because if
sort it out, my lord.
Upright.
If the legal aid committee has found that it's fit, so we won't go to that. Who?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Settle now?
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
Lordship.
It will settle.
Yes, Your Lordship. They have sent the IPS 2017.
Then we'll close it. MSCB submits that the matter, that the grievance has since been redressed and all has been complied with. So accordingly, nothing remains for consideration and the Contempt applicant's accordingly stands closed. A copy of the
Communication to the AG office.
Communication dated 17 November 20 has also been produced, justifying this fact. The same is kept on record.
Item number 4.
Obliged.
My lord, my affidavit on the last occasion there was some defect, so I've corrected. Got it signed, my lord. I'm filing today itself, my lord.
Where is the defect? It's not recorded in order.
My lord, that's my submission, because last time I gave undertaking that I'll be filing in the course of the day. So some events were missed, my lord.
Yes.
Same with me, Lordship. I could not file the copy of the affidavit, so I'll serve it
Were
right
you
now.
also defective affidavit?
No, I could not serve it, Lordship. I'll serve it right now. It was ready.
Kharmi, Mr. P, you've been paid for not for the 1 week's time to file affidavit.
Obliged, Lordship.
5.
Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks time to file an affidavit.
What's the matter about?
It's regarding the regularization, so Lordship. Whether the petitioner
prayed for the 2 weeks time granted to the honorary JA to file affidavit.
6.
May I please, Lordship? I am appearing for respondent number 4 and 5 as a legal aid counsel. So 3 weeks time may be given so that
What's the matter
affidavit could be
about?
filed.
Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Lordship, this was my family pension, Lordship. Lordship,
Family
petitioner is the legally made wife, Lordship, late Basanta Sharma. And he was retired on 1/7/2020.
No, I don't. This is pension matter. You are paying who's Padumi Devi? Number 4
second wife.
Second wife,
And Bipul Sharma?
The son of
Son.
the second, from the second wife.
And you are?
You are
You're the first wife?
Omiya Devi.
Okay, Mr. S.D. Upadhyay has entered appearance on behalf of respondents number 4 and 5 the legal counsel. As such, the notice and all respondents is complete. How much time required for affidavit?
3 weeks, Lordship.
What about MS Colney?
My lord, this is a dispute between the private respondent and
You won't
the
file
petitioner.
affidavit?
My lord, so far we are not required. My
Yes,
instructions.
Tom, no? One of the respondents thought. He prays funds allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit. So praise allowed. Next part, MSR only submits that at this stage no affidavit will be forthcoming from the respondent 1, 2, 3. But lists for 2 weeks and so on. So they.
Master bless.
Your Lordship, I'm praying 2 weeks time, Your Lordship, to file the rejoinder.
How many times you've asked?
This is second time, Your Lordship.
Third time?
Second time, Your Lordship.
No objection. As prayed for the 2 weeks time to grant it. 2 weeks
Yes, Your Lordship.
for rejoinder affidavit.
8.
Allowed, yes.
Much obliged.
Lordship, we have filed the affidavit on behalf of respondent number 5 and 6.
We have already received, Your Lordship.
What about 1 to 4?
Any rejoinder you want?
We'll file next.
1 to 4 is whom?
We'll file it together.
For 1, 2, 3, and 4 for HADC.
You not file?
We haven't filed.
You will not file or you haven't filed?
We haven't filed.
Yeah, you will be filing? Yes, Mr. V.K. General, who is appearing counsel so and so on behalf of 5 and 6 submits that affidavit has been filed. Stop. Mr. Sundu for 1 to 4. The Vice SD for 1 to 4 praise for further
2 weeks.
2 weeks time. You'll file rejoinder now or later?
We'll file it together, Your Lordship.
Yes, yes. MST and Marak.
Tin Marak, Your Lordship.
T. Marak, learned counsel petitioner, submits that rejoinders will be filed when all affidavits have been received. Yes.
5 and 6.
Yes, up to 2 weeks.
9.
Lordship, we have received Parvez comment from the PWD department, but we are yet to receive Parvez comment from this finance department. So we may be given 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
These kind of matters need not linger, my lord. I'll just explain. These are cases of my lord, work charge employees appointed prior to 1997, my lord.
97?
Prior to 97, my lord. I have also referred to similar cases, my lord.
This is PWD roads?
PWD, my lord, yes. At page 27 of my petition, I have also referred to similar matters, my lord, where the government have considered this matter can be disposed of, my lord, with a direction to them to consider my representation, which is at page, my lord, 20. Page 20, within a fixed time period, my lord, by giving us...
Mr. Abraham?
No point, my lord.
If that be the case, just to because they want to, they are praying for the regularization with that. Only just to consider the prayer that on that line it can be disposed of. There's no issue here, Lordship. But since if the court wants, if the petition wants an effective order from this honorable court, then
not required, my lord. Page 27, my lord, is a similar matter.
Yeah, it's very simple. You just said we receive a kind consideration. They've been working for 32, 34 years.
That admitted, yes, Lordship.
So consider representation in 3 months.
We just wanted to know what is the reason why they have not been, the prayer of the petition has not been
considered. Who was the chief engineer roads now?
Chief engineer,
He's sleeping.
That
he's sleeping or he's awake. When did you write to them for instruction?
Sorry.
Just on 1/9/2014.
You wrote to them 1/9/2014. This case was filed 23 only.
Then again, another that latest.
No. When you receive this petition, when do you communicate this one to them?
14 September.
14 September. This was filed on 11 September. Take down all similar.
All similar. In fact, this representation is common. Joint representation by all the.
These writ petitions being similar, analytical in nature, have been disposed of by this common judgment and order. The short point in issue in the instant writ petition is the grievance of the writ petitioners. Where the representation?
Page 20, Annexure 6.
Who are stated to have served for over 32 to 34 years and not yet considered for regularization by the respondent. A representation to this effect, it is noted, had been filed on 25th August 2023, which is Annexure 6 writ petition, but the same is yet to be answered. Next paragraph is a P-non brief for the petitioner's service that at the moment it would suffice if the respondents are directed to address the representation as the claims of the petitioners are genuine. Next paragraph, Mr. H. Abraham submits that till date yet to receive instructions.
No, we have received instruction from the PWD department.
From the respondent number.
This is from
5, Lord. Chief engineer is 5.
From the respondent.
I'm sorry, Lord.
From the respondents.
Respondents.
From the respondents specifically. Where you have not made the. Why is NEC? Something wrong with the application. Why NEC? They working in NEC project?
No, but they are divisions, my lord. They are working in NEC division.
Okay. We'll write from the respondent number 2. No? Number 2. But so number 2 and praise that he may be given some more time. Next paragraph. Looking into the matter and considering the fact that as submitted by the consular petitioner, this court had in a similar matter, that is WPC number 322/2018 by order dated 4/6/2019, had disposed of this similar matter. This court deems it fit to allow or to grant a prayer petition at this stage for a direction to issue to the respondents to consider and dispose of the petition within a fixed time frame stamp. Accordingly, these petitions are disposed of with the direction that the respondent number 2 shall take up the representation dated for
25th August
2023, which had been presented before the Chief Engineer PDB Roads, Meghalaya Shillong, for disposal. The entire exercise should be preferably completed within a period of 3 months from the receipt of this order.
Personal hearing?
Yes. Let them dispose of. Let them dispose of according to
In
law.
similar matters, personal hearings have been granted. In fact, this order also provides.
If necessary, the respondent number 2 may also personally hear the petitioners.
Deeply.
The pledge on this.
My lord, we have filed an additional affidavit that a private respondent has duly received the notice.
5, 6, and 8.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are received.
Yes, as per the direct.
So where are they?
Lord, I'm praying for some time on this matter. I think 13.
Where's that affidavit?
That
What's the matter about Mr. Hazarika?
regarding the approval of the appointment, my lord.
Take down. A service affidavit has been filed. An affidavit indicating service has been filed with petitioner, showing that the respondents 5, 6, 7, and 8 have been served. As such, service complete. Stop. Next parameter, Kiwi Sarji Net Council for was 1 to 4. Days have been allowed further. 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Prayers allowed lists after 2 weeks for affidavit for appearance of the remaining respondents.
14.
Rakesh Roshan.
Wait, please, Your Lordship, we're still awaiting instructions in this matter, Your Lordship.
What does Rakesh Roshan do? What happened to him?
My lord, it's a PIBD case, my lord. PIBD case. Medically.
Or that obese?
Where he was overweight.
Overweight, man.
MS Sumthal, Vice Dr. M. Wazika, DSG, place for not further 2 weeks time to obtain instructions to file affidavit. This is the after also.
15.
Yes, Mr. Thapa.
My lord, we have taken steps against the respondents, my lord, by the registered
5, 6, and
post.
7. That is standing counsel is there.
Even then, my lord, at the time of motion, my lord, since there was nobody appearing, notice was directed, my lord. So we have taken steps against 5, 6, and 7 also.
No, 5 and 7, we see the petition served notice on standing counsel for the respondents and the other respondents within 3 days. The other respondents are from 8 to 12.
8 to 12, entire
They are appearing. And for 5 to 7? Where's MS Colney? You call her. So the whole service, no, you wait, the whole service will be complete. Abraham, you're praying for
1 to 4.
1 to 4, that means MSR Colney for 5 to 7 and A movement for the rest.
For the private parties.
He's here like a record, yes. Mr. A movement entered appearance today on behalf of the respondents. 8
to 12.
8 to 12. That's also MS Ailingwa, Vice MSR Colney on behalf of the respondents 5 to 7. As such, service is complete. This is a matter after how much?
3 weeks.
3 weeks for affidavits.
16.
16 also
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, steps have been taken upon respondent number 7. However, AD card has not yet been received. So I pray that I may be allowed some time to file affidavit with regard to service on
Your
respondent number
Lordship,
7.
I'm appearing on behalf of respondent 1, 2, and 3. I'm
Yes.
praying for some time, Your Lordship, to get instructions and
4
file
4,
affidavit.
5, 6 is for the state. I'm appearing for the state.
Are you filing affidavit?
No, we're just a pro forma.
Yes. MS PR
In
was,
fact, my love, respondent 7 is also a pro forma respondent. He has merely issued a certificate, a no objection certificate for construction of house. The main respondents herein are respondents 1 to 3 who are stopping me from constructing my house.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Your
Yes,
Lordship.
my lord.
Right, okay, MSS Room Thao, Leonard Vice Dr. N. Mozika, DSG, on the through. Praise for
3 weeks' time, Your
3 weeks
Lordship.
for the time to file affidavit, the same is allowed. MSP Agarwal, counsel petitioner, has submitted that the service respondent number 7, the report of service is yet to be received. He further submits that the other respondents are inconsequential as the construction has been halted by the respondent 1, 2, 3. From that view, this matter
After 3 weeks.
after 3 weeks also for affidavit.
Much obliged.
Obliged, Lord.
Hearing item 24.
Your Lordship, this was a matter pertaining to the OBC certificate. Yes, matter.
Where's Mr. Jha?
Your Lordship, I think he's on legs, most probably.
Lalan, so wait. Is he in court?
Your Lordship, he was just there for the other
Where's
matter.
Dr.
also.
Mozika?
Your Lordship, he is on legs before courtroom 4.
This is matter after 1 week of the counsels. The counsel of the petitioner is not present in court.
26.
Much obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, on the last occasion, I was to
to
take
proceed or not?
instructions, Your Lordship. We want to proceed, Your Lordship.
Where's Mr. AG movement? Oh, you're arguing it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, my only humble prayer is that, Your Lordship, the petitioners, they are ready to file a title suit, Your Lordship. But in the meantime, at least the death certificate may not be given effect to Your
It's not
Lordship.
possible. You know that.
Your Lordship, at least consider the
MS
fact
Samai.
that the petitioner is the legally wedded wife, Your Lordship.
Whatever it is not possible. You can't get them to change the records. You can't, a death certificate issued in one name, you can't ask by a mandamus to get them to change it into your name.
At
Then
least
that
the-
will create more confusion.
At least the death certificate, Your
Let
Lordship,
them
may
take
not be-
evidence and then like you ask for a cancellation of death certificate in the name of the name of Mr. P.T. Sangma's client, correct?
Lordship, exactly.
Lordship.
Otherwise, the act also is very
Otherwise, it's be futile. It's
Because
excess
this is
in
not a
futility.
court of evidence, Lordship.
Yes, we are aware. Yes.
Lordship.
Thank you very much.
We are aware, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Then I leave it to your discretion, Your Lordship.
Okay. You can be given a duplicate, but you can't get them to change it. That's
Yes,
the
Your
only
Lordship. But actually, the petitioner wanted in
thing. Her name is impossible.
yes, name, Your Lordship.
All the orders have been passed by courts earlier that suppose person A has obtained death certificate, then person B comes, they can under section 17, I think, of the Registration of Births and Deaths
Yes,
Act,
Your Lordship.
they are entitled to get a duplicate copy also, if you have some relative. Yes. There was an earlier case, right? This is that.
Lordship.
Is it
Yes.
that Binaroy? The same. Binaroy.
Lordship. Yes, same. Lordship. Same.
That mediation, what happened? He didn't. That
No,
was the
Lordship.
time when
Actually,
he
on
husband was
the
alive.
last occasion, my conducting counsel has misled the court,
No,
Your
when
Lordship, stating
that's
that.
when the husband was alive.
Sorry, Your Lordship.
When he was alive, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So if
Your Lordship, actually, what happened was the deceased did not comply with the order, Your Lordship.
No, that is
That's why the
their
petitioner, they filed a civil revision, Your Lordship, before this honourable court.
No.
And during the pendency of the case, the deceased expired, Your Lordship.
That's not correct, actually.
That is correct. I have the order, Your Lordship.
Because they filed.
That matter is not before us.
Yes,
Only that
yes.
this court is
Yes.
seeing this earlier order, whereby same parties are there.
Same party,
Yeah,
but
yes,
the
but he
disease, during the pendency of the case, that.
Yes, since died, entire proceedings transpired. I no longer living the question. Yes.
So the matter was not conclusive since
Yes.
that person was died. There was
Yes,
that's why
yes.
he has withdrawn.
The case of the petitioner is that she is the legally wedded wife of one late Atul Simarak, who expired on 13/3/2022. Stop. No? Aslam?
The case of the petitioner is that she is the legally wedded wife of one late Atul Simarak who expired on 13/3/2022.
But that before she could approach the respondent number 3 for the issuance of a death certificate in her favor, the respondent number
Respondent number 5, Your
Aprila
Lordship. 5,
is
Your Lordship.
the respondent
Five,
number 5 who also claims to be the wife of late Atul Simarak, obtained death certificate on 24/3/2022. Stop. It has been submitted that the petitioner had then approached the respondent number 3 and also filed a representation on 17/11/2022 for issuance of a fresh death certificate showing her as the wife of the deceased person. But the concerned authority has not decided on the representation. And decided representation and directed that appropriate orders be obtained from the concerned court. Stop. Being aggrieved thereby, the petitioners before this court by way of the instant writ petition. Stop. Ms. L.D. Sangma, counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the petitioner was married to late Atul Simarak as far back as on 7/2/1976 and has referred to a marriage certificate to substantiate this submission. She further submits that the grant of the death certificate to the respondent number 5 is illegal, is irregular, inasmuch as no proper inquiry was conducted by authority before granting the same. And as such, there should be no impediment in the respondent number 3 granting a fresh death certificate in favor of the petitioner. Stop. That's your submission, correct?
Sorry.
That's your submission,
Yes,
correct?
Your
Yes. Then next, Mr. P.T. Sangma for the respondent number 5. What is your submission?
Because as per my submission, I was
You were
there.
married in Bethlehem, or where in Jerusalem?
It's Cana of Galilee, Your Lordship.
Oh, in Jordan.
Jordan, somewhere.
That is, but my this because my submission was
Yes,
I have been
Mr. P.T. Sangma. Yes, one number 3 or 5?
5, Your Lordship.
Yes. Yes. In reply to submission, the petitioner has submitted that the respondent number 5 was legally married to Lear Atul Simarak and has also annexed a copy of marriage certificate to the affidavit of opposition to substantiate this fact, to substantiate this argument. Stop. It is further submitted that that the petitioner was no longer cohabiting with the deceased person, just her deceased husband or deceased person, for the last 20 years, and had never taken care or looked after after him till his death. Stop. He therefore submits that the writ petitioner, having deserted Lear Atul Simarak
for 25 years. For 25 years.
For over 20 years.
At the time of the death ceremony also, funeral ceremony
the prayer for issuance of a death certificate in her favor is liable to be rejected. Stop. Next paragraph. Having heard the accounts for the parties, it is seen that both the claimants who have stated that they are the legally wedded wives of Lear Atul Simarak are in possession of marriage certificates, the veracity of which cannot be determined by this court as to their authenticity. Stopped. The other attendant facts, circumstances, such as whether the writ petitioner and the deceased person were cohabiting or whether continued their lives husband and wife also, is in the realm of disputed facts, as the same has been rebutted by the respondent number 5. Suits pending. Suits pending
Yes,
already.
Your Lordship, it's pending.
Stop. MS Liareng has also reported that a title suit with regard to the properties, of this deceased is still pending.
I think regarding the filing of suit, she has not filed it.
Okay, she has not filed.
She has not filed.
Last paragraph, no?
Only for cancellation of succession certificate.
Before that? Before last paragraph, before that thing, before that. In the realm of the facts, before that, Puli.
The other attendant facts and circumstances as regard to the petitioner and the deceased was cohabiting or continuing the life of husband and wife in
Isn't the realm of disputed?
the realm of dispute and
Disputed facts, which this court sitting in writ jurisdiction is not in a position to adjudicate. Next part. In that view, the matter without expressing any views or going to the merits of the matter, this writ petition is disposed of, leaving the writ petitioner to seek alternate civil remedy to try and establish her rights as the legal wedded wife of the deceased Atul Simarak. Matter accordingly stands disposed of. That's, you can't do it. If they have established it, then the death certificate, you know what to do. You have to file whatever declaration for cancellation, for withdrawal, for recall.
Lordship. Lordship.
You can't change the name. You can get a duplicate. You can't change the name. You can't say give the certificate like I'm your wife, another one. You can't do that unless that one's cancelled.
But at least till the title suit is filed, Your Lordship, if
that injunction taken.
That title suit has not been filed. Yeah, it was pending. It's not pending, so it's up to you. Yes.
It's not filed.
Thank you.
Most